And as an administrator, I can create a new post. If I create new, I might be able to post. The users are only available to add comments, but the admin is going to be the one that is going to add posts. Any question about this application or?
No, just show us how to add editor.
Okay, the editor. Yes, I will share the project of the editor for you. I have this rich text editor and how it works eventually. I will just run the editor.
And where we have to upload it on the layer Omnibox?
Yes, I'm going to make available a space for uploading the projects. So it's going to be on Tuesday. Yes.
No, it's not Tuesday. It's Monday for the blog for the assignment. Or we have to finish it till Tuesday.
You can finish until Tuesday because
okay.
yes, you can finish until Tuesday because I create also I create like it's pretty new for me, but I create an assignment on Teams, and if you see on the assignment, I think you might be able also to upload it from Teams, but I just trying to use it like that, but.
Because usually we upload on Omnibox. So
Yes, on Omnibox. Yes, maybe I will put it on Omnibox and just define it because I define it that March 9 will be the deadline until the end of March 9, and March 9 is Tuesday.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
So here is pretty much simple how is implemented this rich text editor. It's from a company called Summernote. I will show you how can we implement that. Here I have a view, the index view, the default view for the home controller. And the only thing that we need is here. You only need to specify all these attributes. Here you have, you need to put add HTML text area for, so it's going to print like a text area, but you need to specify the how many rows or the size in rows that you need to configure. So how is the size, the vertical size of your editor. Then you need to specify also the classes. So the classes are form control. Oh, sorry. The classes are form control input LG text area editor, and that's how you will implement the text editor in your application. But you might think, okay, but there is something missing here. I need some JavaScript maybe to make it work. So here I will show you. So in this project here, what is the share layout? No, it's not that layout. Sorry. The view model, you don't need almost nothing for the new view model because it's going to be just in your field content in your project. So the view model is for you is going to be the post model or something like that. and you're going to referentiate only the content, the content field, but only the configuration. Here here is the configuration of the editor. So you have the library here needed for the editor, which is this Summer Node.js, as you can see. CDN, JS, Cloudflare, Ajax, Lib, Summer Node.js. Then I put this bundle because I create myself a custom JavaScript to just adjust the editor, and then you just add also the CSS needed for the editor, and that's it. Only this part, the sections script part, you need for the editor. And my JavaScript, which is this script custom editor. The only thing that it does this is it takes the HTML element, the text area, and just applies the editor. This is applying the editor when the page is loaded. So when the page loads with jQuery, you will apply you will apply all the changes from that JavaScript library. So you will apply all the look and feel for the text editor by calling this. So this is the JavaScript that you need to call the library, the JavaScript library, to make appear the editor in your web page. So this is going to be executed when the page is ready. This is syntax from jQuery, and then it will apply all these parameters. So, but you need to referentiate this JavaScript and also the JavaScript for the support of the editor, which are the Summer Node.js and the CSS for the editor, and then how you apply the editor to your page with this custom JavaScript, and that's it. You have any question how to apply this? Is it clear how you can?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. So I will close this. So
I download
yes.
your video rental application, but it don't. I cannot run it. It's missing something.
Okay. Can you show me?
Yeah. Where is the share button? Here.
Okay, NBC video rental being Roslyn. Okay. Okay, it's something that we don't use actually. We don't use in our. It depends on your version of Visual Studio. Maybe there is a package that is saying Roslyn in the in the
Maybe
project.
I need to download packages or something.
Yes, in here I will check. Let me check the. First of all, what was the project? MVC Video Rental. Okay, MVC Video Rental. I will check for the packages that I use there. Users. Okay. Because you have the community version of Visual Studio or
Yes, community version.
MVC Video Rental. Because it doesn't use anything particular, I will say. It's only because
Can you just fix the because I'm having the same issue. Is there a way you could fix the
okay, that project,
assign
the project,
your project, yeah, or just like or just show us if you can fix the items,
or maybe you can
then
give
we
me the
know what to do.
you can give me the control of your screen also.
How can I give you? I
Okay. I can request the control. I think request control. You'll control the content for the present. You'll control the content the presenter is sharing. No. If there is any way to control your screen. Okay, just a second. I will check something. They say the problem with the default Visual Studio 2015 templates is that the compiler isn't actually copied to the Roslyn directory. Add this code to your csprog file. Okay, I will copy that. Let me check where is this. Okay, things. I just look on the internet and they say, okay, that you need to fix your csprog file with that. I will check my csprog myself to MVC video rental properties, open file location. MVC video rental csprog. Okay. Tac. Visual Studio. Ensure NuGet package will imports. Okay, so what I actually copied here. Target name, copy Roslyn files. So if I go here, item groups, target, copy Roslyn files. Okay, I will open the MVC video rental again, reload all, window, close all, view, solution explorer, build. I'm able to build, but I just add what I just give you in the. Can you go to, let's say, close your project, the solution, close it, the MVC video rental. Yes, close that. Then go to the where you just downloaded.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go. No, I mean in your file system.
Oh, okay.
So go to the folder MVC video rental again. Then open with Notepad MVC video rental CS Pro.
Mm,
Yes, it's just below Global ASAC CS. No, below. Yes, that one.
this one.
Edit with Notepad++. And then find for target or something. Control F, target. Target.
Oops. Mm,
Oh, yes, target. Or maybe yes. No, continue. Okay, just before project extensions, you see a little bit. Okay, more you go, and there is a project extensions just in the line 287 between. Yes, put the text that I copied in the on Teams.
Так, let me second.
You are not able to see it? Oh, okay.
Not yet. Let me second.
Okay.
Так.
It's on Teams, on post, something like that.
Okay, I found it. Так.
Okay, there. Save. Save and reopen the solution.
Okay, it was saved.
Save it. Close and reopen the solution. Go up one folder. Okay, okay. Double click. Rebuild the solution just to preparing solution. Okay. Rebuild the solution first.
Okay.
Right click the project and rebuild solution. Rebuild started.
Succeeded. Start.
Okay. Okay, start.
Okay.
Come on. Go.
Nothing.
No, 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 no yet. There is an error or something. Okay. One more projects in the solution were not currently oh wow. No, well, there is only one project.
Yeah.
What is okay?
Let's
No,
try.
you won't be able to just run it if there is no they say there is no project or something.
Oh,
If you
it's
okay,
running actually.
okay, video rental, you go movies.
That gives me an error too. Because I don't think we have the database on our computers.
Okay, it says directory lookup for the tan 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 SPNet na 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 na. Okay, you don't have the
Yeah.
database, but it's not a problem. I think it's not a problem. You can just run the update database in in your console. Tools, NuGet Package Manager console, update database. Enter. It says directory lookup, fail with the operating system error. It couldn't write on the
It
on
didn't
the
find.
file system. You don't have right access to your documents ASP.NET. There is a folder say user certain documents ASP.NET.
The system cannot find the file.
But you don't need any file. Let's say go to show files. Go on Solution Explorer on the top. There is an option. Go on the top.
Oh, okay.
On yes, show files. No, no, no. On the icons. More on your right. Yes, show all. Show all. Click again. Okay, you don't have actually the database. And if you go web config, just to see what happens in your configuration, the web config, you have the connection string that is taking your default local directory, your local data directory, but the solution that you have, maybe you could put it your solution, you could put it uh, into a folder that you have permissions. Can you close your Visual Studio and put it in somewhere that you can just have permissions in
It's
it?
my document folder. I have permissions here.
Yes, you have permissions, but apparently it doesn't.
For sure,
It
that is
doesn't.
my documents folder.
Okay, or maybe it's too deep on the. I don't think that is too deep on your documents folder. So let's go up and move it somewhere else, or yes. That's strange because you already download many other projects inside, right?
Yeah.
And you even create databases from there also?
Uh,
No, not yet. The
this
other projects
project I
are,
created by myself. It's not downloaded.
they are not downloaded.
Yeah.
If you go right click to the folder and give
Yes.
permissions to the folder, is just read only. I saw that is read only in the general tab on the top, general tab. I- i-
Print up.
yes, and check read only. Yes, apply. Okay. Because you may be admin in your computer. If you go to security or something, I think your user is already there and has all the permissions.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So open again your project.
Close it open.
Yes, close and open just to make sure. Open and double click. Yes, that should work. I will say.
Rebuild and update database.
Yes, just to make sure that everything is okay. But I think it's because it was read only. You
Yes,
weren't able
maybe.
to create the database, but should create your database. It's not possible that being an administrator you are not able to create nothing. Yes. So yes, reveal is going to clean and then build it. Yes. Okay. So in the console, initializing PowerShell host, update database. Still the same problem.
Yeah.
Create database failed. Some file names list could not be created. Check related errors. What errors? So if we go up, what kind of errors they are saying? Create database. Okay, what is this at the beginning? Directory lookup for file. Failed with the operating system error. Some file names list could not be created. And it points to the directory, which is C user alter documents ASP.NET, MVC video rental master, MVC video rental app data, MVC video rental. Failed with the operating system error. I will check that error because normally you can create, you should create a database. And if you do the creation of database from another project from scratch, are you able to do it?
Yes.
Database fail. Ah, It's a common error in Entity Framework, I will say.
We also don't have a folder app data here.
You don't have the folder app data yet created?
No.
Have you checked if you have it?
Right here you can see. The database should be in the folder app data.
Yes, you don't have
But-
that folder.
Yeah.
Can you create it? But in Visual Studio, it appears like there is a folder app data, right?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe it's like hide something.
Артем, может, маленький app? У тебя большие.
Data, maybe rename it. Okay.
Okay, let's try again.
Update database. Enter. Okay.
Yes, it's running sync method.
Yes. Yes. So you might be able to run the.
Now it's created.
Yes.
Oh, let's try.
Okay. Chrome. Is that Chrome? I think. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Close this. Movies. Click. I think there is no movie already. Just create the database. Yes, you need to log in first with the or you can register. No, you can log in and there is the password inside of the configuration file. Migrations configuration. And that mean, and then the password is secret pass something. Login admin.admin.com. Login. So.
Okay.
So you click on movies and you may be able, and you don't have anything, so create new and then you can add.
It's these fields are required.
I didn't even, you can put the, yes.
Which format?
No, you put the 1/1/2021.
With slash.
Okay.
1/2021. Release date, same day, number of stock 5 or 3 or 2. Okay, create.
Okay, that's working.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So the others were able to just run it, or Okay, I think we are done with this. You have any question? Feel free to ask. You can even send me emails or something. You get stuck somehow in your project. But I think for you it's clear. Is it clear?
I think Monday will be question. Will be a lot of questions.
Yes, I think so. Yes, but nothing to worry. If you when you will start, it will start the questions. I will
We
say.
will have questions, maybe. I hope we not.
Yes, but I give you almost everything that is needed for the project, and also I don't know if you were able to take screenshots of the screens, but it was also pretty much clear, at least for you, how is the flow of the application. So yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
have a nice
thank you.
day and have a nice weekend.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.